Welcome to the Nordic Real Estate Forum 2026. To rethink real estate, we must first look to the past. Join me.
Men, do you know how macroeconomic trends reshape real estate?
Where do we find value in 1526? ROI and urban planning start from city walls.
Do not forget panel session. Housing market is under pressure.
Affordability, sustainability, and urbanization.
It is time to adapt to new travel realities.
Where do we live?
How do we travel?
Where do we work?
How do we shop?
Real estate is in transformation. A new chapter is being written. I will see you back on the stage.